Imagine we go in and we're like, sorry. That's probably like the best. Yeah, you can. I'll take one too. This one. Yes. Sorry? Something else? Is that the chocolate you just had? I have no idea what's going on in my mouth right now.
Oh, that looks good though. Is it good?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Very sweet.
Yeah.
Almond syrup from Starbucks.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's actually not too sweet. It's actually
Oh.
Well,
Oh, I like it though. There's almond paste, right?
She does.
Smile. Oh, it's so cute. Hey! Oh, I love this.
can I try buffalo?
Good.
Is it good? Yeah.
I got the small one though.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Okay, Dig, there's a train at 1:58 or 2:08.
Yeah, that's clear.
So blue.
And then we're like, okay, we need to get her just off of here
Mm-hmm.
and something.
Say hi. Okay, so we're about to go out for coffee and we're gonna do a little shopping. I don't think I'm gonna do shopping actually. I don't have any money to spend on clothes, but I wanna see the city center and it's a beautiful day. So it's gonna be so nice. It's a Saturday, so okay, we have to like, it's a chill day. Also, like, look at my tote bag. Look at my tote bag. So nice. I love it.
Please? For here.
You can go if you want to order. Oh. Sorry.
I want to be in it.
Yo, you want to be in? Wait, I can like shift the video. Let's do this.
The lighting's so good.
Yeah, no, it's actually so bad. Oh, this is better.
It looks really nice.
What does it taste like?
It's sweet.
It's like almond.
Yeah, there's
You have to clean your nose.
this cream, like whipped cream, almond paste, and this one is like a donut with cardamom.
Ooh.
It's really nice. You wanna try it?
Sure. I don't think I need it.
It's just buy it. We had one. It was good, but it was too sweet. I feel like it just lacked.
And it has That is really good. I'm not a sweet. I like a savory, but that's really good.
Yeah.
That one's a good one.
Yeah, it's a good one. But great. I'm so satisfied. Oh, still have it. Great. Ice cream stop. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Oh, sorry. I'm done.
We can all just use that character.
I love carrot cake.
I think I need to make a check for the coffee.
Yeah.
Se on ehkä se on tämmöistä vähän erilaista.
I want to hug him. Oh my god.
She's 9 weeks.
Say hi.
Ja, exakt. Men du tänker liksom bakom den där svenska kyrkan. Right there, oh my god. Framför den, det är ju inget. Det är bara... Okej, jag vet faktiskt inte vad det är.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, I mean, it's not gonna turn out like that.
I like cars. I'm so excited. Because the last time we saw
Okay, so apart from the fact that I cut my hair yesterday and low-key, I actually did a good job. Actually, kind of. Hey, hello. We're going to the library to study and then to the city, and it's actually snowing.
Så det är en kaka.
Säger det exactly.
Do you like it?
So. Very nice.
Yeah.
So it's just cheese.
That's a good latte.
Oh well. Too bad.
Nice. Did you see my embarrassment with Swedish? Huh?
Playing it as a drinking
Have
game.
you seen my embarrassment with
You had
Swedish?
to order in Swedish?
But I like having coffee in the morning.
We can have coffee somewhere.
And then get pasty in the afternoon.
Maya, hey. Maya? Mama. These aren't Swedish? These ones are in English. Oh.
Oh no. Oh no, actually.
Some of them are. Both.
I guess, maybe.
Today we're trying. Oh, sorry.
Don't see.
Fried herring.
Okay.
Wait till you just take
Yeah.
it. I'm just gonna rip
Warm? Is it good?
and I want to pick it with it.
Oh, how do I cut it? Wait.
It just tastes like
Is
fish.
it good? Yeah. But a good
Big.
one.
It's not that
Jay,
exciting.
how do you cut it?
What does everyone rate it out of 5? Or, I don't like it. So
Oh, the.
Huh?
like
I
a
like it. I like
2.79.
I love fish.
2.79 out of 5.
What? No, it's a 4.
4.
Yeah,
What do you
well,
rate it out of
sorry.
5?
I'm destroying it. Okay. It's a lot of cucumbers.
I need another bite.
No, it's nice.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
What do you rate it out of 5?
Okay.
5.
My turn.
5 out of 5.
I love it. Yeah, it's great.
Good.
Okay, so you don't want any more?
No, I will still have more.
Oh. Good protein.
Okay, so we're going to a hockey match, like an actual ice hockey match. I have never been to any type of sport matches. Yeah. But this is for the plot. This is for the experience. I want to see how it is. I want to go so bad. I'm so excited actually. Like, oh my god. Okay. Yeah, well. Let's go. Okay.
That was the last one that I saw. Maybe they have more. We just took it. Huh? Ah, he's waiting for a drink.